Have you ever wondered why Duchenne and Becker muscular dystrophies are still classified separately even though they both come from mutations in the same gene, DMD? Greetings. I'm Ali Nikakhtar, your host at DystroBlog, a place for discussion and awareness about neuromuscular disease. Today, I'm excited to share with you a very interesting editorial written by Dr. Eric P. Hoffman. He's a professor of pharmaceutical sciences at Binghamton University in New York and a leading researcher in muscle disease. This editorial was published in Neurology Genetics, one of the most respected scientific journals specializing in the genetics of neurological and muscular disorders, widely cited in the scientific communities. Here's the story. Both Duchenne and Becker muscular dystrophies are caused by mutations in the DMD gene. But because Duchenne usually leads to early and severe loss of mobility, while Becker tends to have milder symptoms, they've been historically classified as separate diseases. Dr. Hoffman discusses recent findings from a large Japanese study focusing on patients with microvariant small mutations like nonsense, missense, and splice site mutations. One surprising thing they found was that even among family members carrying the same mutation, disease severity could be very different, with one person staying mobile while another lost the ability to walk as a teenager. This shows how tricky it is to clearly separate Duchenne and Becker based just on genetics. Dr. Hoffman also pointed out that some nonsense mutations, usually thought to be very severe, may result in milder symptoms due to natural exon skipping mechanisms. In the end, he raises the idea that maybe we should think less in strict categories and more in terms of a spectrum, using broader terms, dystrophinopathies, to describe all these conditions linked to dystrophin malfunction. What do you think? Should we rethink how we classify these muscular dystrophies? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment. If you like to stay connected, you can follow my latest work on LinkedIn, YouTube, and my website at nikilab.net. Please don't forget, my dream is to see a smile on your lips.